On day one, we were hoping to ship out 1 package. We shipped out 300. On our true go live day, we were hoping to ship out 300. We shipped out every package that was in our system with no hiccups. I could not have asked for something this smooth. Club W is a direct-to-consumer winery. And we're really leading the grape to glass revolution, trying to bring wine direct from the vineyard and the winery to people's doors, cutting out the middleman, and really empowering our team to focus on the customer, focus on the wine. And if you do those two things, the rest will take care of itself. It's very core to what we offer. So the whole story on how we managed our warehouse was, in the beginning, we used third-party logistics companies to outsource a lot of it. But since we try to focus on delighting the customer, we wanted to be able to own it internally. Our selection process, it was make it a collaborative approach. What does our technology team want? What does the warehouse pick packer, the person actually has to work with and use with it, what do they want? Let's go look at everything, stuff that we've never heard of, the stuff that would seem too small, everything to the biggest big boy in the room. The biggest way that our core values played into the selection process was we always focused again on delighting the customer, number one. And that was something that a lot of the functionality SnapFulfil brought. It was a big addition to what we weren't doing and have proven to be big wins for our customer. As we proceeded down that path, one thing I loved about them was they wanted to know what was right for us and if it was a right fit. And we were in a position in their kind of core agreement that if we weren't happy, we could get out, which from a software perspective is really unheard of in the industry. So we knew that they'd be coming on site to really see what we're doing, see what we wanted, and talk through not only what they had to offer, but how that fit into what we wanted to do, so we could really marry them up together. We came back a month later and said, is this gonna work? Is this what we talked about? And they were spot on. A few weeks of training and we were live. Training was hands-on with full support both from on-site staff as well as remote staff. From when we signed on the dotted line, it was 2 months to when we were live and shipping out orders. That is a very fast timeline for the industry in general. Prior to go live, were there issues? Absolutely. Were they fixed within hours? Yeah. And when it comes to knowledge, they know their system and it really showed. So we went live October 6th of 2014. Business is through the roof. We've grown about 800% since then. Even our second day after go live, we doubled our order volume. Not a blip. It's actually, I could not have been able to handle that order growth had it been on my old WMS. SnapFulfil is not a vendor of ours. They're a partner, and that's the best way I can sum it up.